Telomere and Telomerase, MCQs. 1. The human telomeric repeat sequences. A. TTAGGG. B. TAGGG. C. TTAGGG. D. GAIA. 2. Telomeres are located at A. Centromeres. B. Origins of replication. C. Ends of linear chromosomes. D. Ribosomal DNA. 3. The single-stranded overhang at telomeres is A. CRH5 overhang. B. GRH3 overhang. C. Double-stranded blunt end. D. RNA overhang. 4. The T-loop structure is stabilized mainly by A. TRF1. B. TRF2. C. POT1. D. TPP1. 5. Telomerase is classified as A. DNA polymerase. B. RNA polymerase. C. Reverse transcriptase. D. helicase. 6. The RNA component of telomerase is called A. TERT. B. TERC. C. TRF1. D. RAP1. 7. The end replication problem primarily affects A. Leading strand only. B. Lagging strand only. C. Both equally. D. Neither strand. 8. Telomere shortening occurs due to A. High mutation rate. B. Incomplete replication of lagging strand. C. DNA ligase failure. D. helicase deficiency. 9. Shelterin complex contains how many core proteins? A4. B5. C6. D8. 10. POT1 binds to A. Double-stranded telomeric DNA. B. Centromeric DNA. C. Single-stranded G overhang. D. RNA primer. 11. Telomerase activity is high in A. Mature RBCs. B. Neurons. C. Germ cells. D. Skeletal muscle cells. 12. Approximately what percentage of cancers reactivate telomerase? A. 20%. B. 40%. C. 60%. D. 85 to 90%. 13. Telomere shortening triggers which pathway? A. RAS pathway. B. P53 pathway. C. MAPK pathway. D. WNT pathway. 14. Hayflick limit refers to A. Maximum telomere length. B. Maximum chromosome number. C. Limited cell divisions. D. DNA repair capacity. 15. Alternative lengthening of telomeres, ALT, depends on A. Reverse transcription. B. Homologous recombination. C. RNA splicing. D. DNA methylation. 16. TERT stands for A. Telomere end repair template. B. Telomerase RNA transcript. C. Telomerase reverse transcriptase. D. Telomere repeat transferase. 17. Removal of RNA primer at chromosome end causes A. Gap formation. B. Double strand break. C. Mutation. D. Translocation. 18. Telomeres prevent A. DNA replication. B. Chromosome fusion. C. Transcription. D. Translation. 19. In humans, telomere length at birth is approximately A. 1 to 2 kb. B. 2 to 3 kb. C. 10 to 15 kb. D. 50 kb. 20. TRF1 bonds A. Single-stranded DNA. B. Double-stranded telomeric DNA. C. RNA template. D. Primase. 21. Telomerase extends which end? A. 5 end. B. 3 end. C. Both ends. D. Random site. 22. Telomerase RNA acts as A. Primer. B. Template. C. Inhibitor. D. Ligase. 23. Dysfunctional telomeres resemble A. Replication fork. B. Okazaki fragments. C. Double-strand breaks. D. RNA primers. 24. Telomere shortening rate per division is about A. 1 BP. B. 5 BP. C. 50 to 200 BP. D. 1000 BP. 25. Dyskeratosis congenita is caused by mutation in A. DNA polymerase. B. Telomerase components. C. hist-1s. D. RNA polymerase. 26. Telomerase was first discovered in A. E. coli. B. yeast. C. Tetrahymena. D. humans. 27. The enzyme that fills complementary strand after telomerase action is A. DNA polymerase. B. Reverse transcriptase. C. helicase. D. topoisomerase. 28. Telomerase negative somatic cells eventually undergo A. hyperplasia. B. senescence. C. immortalization. D. polyploidy. 29. RAP1 in Shelterin. A. synthesizes telomeres. B. binds RNA. C. regulates telomere length. D. acts as ligase. 30. Prokaryotes generally lack telomeres because A. no DNA. B. linear chromosomes. C. circular chromosomes. D. no replication. 31. Telomerase translocation means A. movement to nucleus. B. Sliding to add another repeat. C. Chromosome movement. D. DNA repair. 32 TPP1 function includes A. RNA degradation. B. Telomerase recruitment. C. DNA ligation. D. Histone modification. 33 critically short telomeres lead to A. Increased replication. B. Cell cycle arrest. C. Protein synthesis. D. Telomerase activation automatically. 34 Telomerase belongs to which enzyme family? A. DNA-dependent DNA polymerase. B. RNA-dependent RNA polymerase. C. RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. D. Ligase. 35 The D-loop is part of A. Replication fork. B. T-loop structure. C. Centromere. D. Okazaki fragment. 36 Telomere attrition contributes to A. Aging. B. Increased fertility. C. Chromosome multiplication. D. Faster replication. 37 Leading strand synthesis ends. A. With gap. B. Completely replicated. C. With RNA. D. With break. 38 Telomerase deficiency mainly affects A. High turnover tissues. B. Mature neurons. C. RBCs. D. Cartilage only. 39 Telomerase is a ribonucleoprotein because it contains A. DNA and protein. B. RNA and protein. C. Only RNA. D. Only protein. 40 Cancer cell immortality is mainly due to A. Increased mutation rate. B. Telomere shortening. C. Telomerase reactivation. D. Apoptosis. Answers with explanations. 1b. TAG. Human telomeres consist of tandem repeats of the hexanucleotide sequence TAG. 2c. Ends of linear chromosomes. Telomeres cap the terminal ends of linear eukaryotic chromosomes. 3b. G-rich 3 overhang. Telomeres possess a single-stranded G-rich 3 overhang, essential for T-loop formation. 4b. TRF2. TRF2 stabilizes the T-loop and prevents DNA damage response activation. 5c. Reverse transcriptase. Telomerase synthesizes DNA using an RNA template, hence it is an RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. 6b. TERC. TERC is the RNA template component of telomerase. 7b. Lagging strand only. The end replication problem mainly affects the lagging strand due to primer removal at the 5' end. 8b. Incomplete replication of lagging strand. After RNA primer removal, DNA polymerase cannot fill the terminal gap. 9c. 6. The Shelterin complex contains 6 core proteins, TRF1, TRF2, POD1, TIN2, TPP1, RAP1. 10c. Single-stranded G overhang. POD1 binds specifically to the 3 single-stranded overhang. 11c. Germ cells. Telomerase is active in germ cells, stem cells, and many cancer cells. 12d. 85 to 90%. Approximately 85 to 90% of cancers reactivate telomerase for immortality. 13b. P53 pathway. Critically short telomeres activate DNA damage response and the P53 pathway, leading to senescence. 14c. Limited cell divisions. Hayflick limit refers to the finite number of divisions, 50, 70, normal cells undergo. 15b. Homologous recombination. ALT pathway maintains telomeres via recombination-based mechanisms. 16c. Telomerase reverse transcriptase. TERT is the catalytic protein subunit of telomerase. 17a. Gap formation. Removal of terminal RNA primer leaves an unfillable gap. 18b. Chromosome fusion. Telomeres prevent end-to-end chromosome fusion. 19c. 10 to 15 kb. Newborn humans typically have telomeres around 10 to 15 kilobases long. 20b. Double-stranded telomeric DNA. TRF1 binds specifically to double-stranded telomeric repeats. 21b. 3' end. Telomerase extends the 3' end of telomeric DNA. 22b. Template. TERC provides the RNA template for repeat synthesis. 23c. Double-strand breaks. Unprotected telomeres are recognized as DNA double-strand breaks. 24c. 50 to 200 BP. Approximately 50 to 200 base pairs are lost per cell division. 25b. Telomerase components. Mutations in TERT or TERC cause disorders like dyskeratosis congenita. 26c. Tetrahymena. Telomerase was first discovered in the protozoan Tetrahymena, Blackburn and Breiter. 27a. DNA polymerase. After telomerase extension, conventional DNA polymerase synthesizes the complementary strand. 28b. Senescence. Telomerase-negative somatic cells eventually stop dividing, replicative senescence. 29c. regulates telomere length. RAP1 plays a regulatory role in telomere maintenance. 30C, circular chromosomes. Most prokaryotes have circular chromosomes and thus no end replication problem. 31B, sliding to add another repeat. After adding one repeat, telomerase translocates to extend further. 32B, telomerase recruitment. TPP1 helps recruit telomerase to telomeres. 33B, cell cycle arrest. Critically short telomeres trigger DNA damage response and arrest. 34C, RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. Telomerase uses RNA to synthesize DNA. 35B, T-loop structure. The D-loop forms when the 3' overhang invades the double-stranded telomeric DNA. 36A, aging. Telomere shortening contributes to cellular and organismal aging. 37B, completely replicated. The leading strand does not face the end replication problem in the same way as lagging strand. 38A, high turnover tissues. Bone marrow, skin, and gut epithelium are affected due to frequent divisions. 39B, RNA and protein. Telomerase contains RNA, TERC, and protein, TERT. 40C, telomerase reactivation. Cancer cells regain unlimited division capacity by reactivating telomerase.